Let's convert 670 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how you do it. So you need to know that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. That's a conversion factor. So what we can do is we can take our 760 millimeters of mercury and multiply it by our conversion factor. So we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. Let's put that on the bottom. 760 millimeters of mercury goes on the bottom, and we want to end up with atmospheres. That's what we're trying to convert to. That needs to go on the top. So now when we multiply, we have millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom. That cancels out. We're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So essentially 670 divided by 760, that's going to give us 0.8815. Let's call it 0.882, and the units, that's what's left up there, atmospheres. So that's how you do it. 670 millimeters of mercury converted to atmospheres is 0.882 atmospheres. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.